Wholeness and balance vibrations to my brother, one world, one hood. Yo, man. Me and that man was in the chat earlier, whatever, and I was just breaking apart a old microwave that, we was tossing out. The family's becoming more conscious of what I've been telling them about not fooling with microwaves and how dangerous it is and shit. And, so, we're throwing one away, man. And, I took the capacitor out of it and I got the magnets out of it because I was asking him what else did he think I should get out of it. And, you just don't open up a microwave and just go pulling shit out because you will get zapped. You see what I'm saying? But it had been out long enough that, the capacitor had discharged, and he told me how to discharge it too, So, I mean, everything went good. I posted up a couple pictures and we was just talking or whatever, man. He was just like, see, he said, now, when you took it apart, he said, what did you notice? And he said, you noticed that, and I noticed that it wasn't nothing but coils in it. Obviously, the electricity and then magnets. You see what I'm saying? It's electromagnetism like we always talk about. And so, like he was saying, that you begin to see why they don't teach you about magnetism. The disc magnets that they use inside of it. Let me show you hold on, put this smoothie in this pocket. I'm out here. Smoothie on me. See what I'm saying? These two disc magnets, it's two of them. Kind of like the ones that I showed y'all before or whatever, right? But just, these are thicker or whatever. And, so, yeah, but anyway, though, so, it's electromagnetism, and everything in the cosmos is electromagnetism. This magnet right here, the North Pole, is the inside. You see what I'm saying? Then the South Pole is the exterior. So, again, what is this magnet? A disc. You see what I'm saying? What the ancestors say about the Earth? The disc. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, man, once you realize that, man, the reason the horizon is a level line, you see what I'm saying, as far as you can see, when you look at the actual horizon, it's the dielectric inertia plane. The Earth is a giant magnet. You see what I'm saying? Just like you are, you're a magnet too. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, though, the Earth is a giant magnet, and everything here is dielectric. You see what I'm saying? So that's why they don't teach you about magnetism, ferromagnetism, paramagnetism. You see what I'm saying? I done told y'all about this before. And One World, One Hood done already showed y'all six ways to get voltage, and paying for it ain't one of them. The Earth is a battery. If you know how to use the Earth as a battery, like that machine I show y'all made, yo, the thing is it's not free energy. Dude, you don't have to use a battery like I did. You can come outside and hook up to the Earth if you know what the hell you doing. I ain't lying. Look up an Earth battery, y'all. I ain't lying. Like real shit. Like, that's what I said, man. Like, yo, we gotta stop, quote unquote, and I hate that shit, that dumbass saying, living under rocks and shit. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I love rocks. But anyway, look, like, man, but just real shit though, man. Like, yo, like, this is an information age and you can learn anything. You just gotta know the right questions to ask. And then, yeah, sometimes you just kind of gotta be a quantum consciousness kind of being to be able to understand this shit, because sometimes no matter how much you try and pound it into someone, it just doesn't click. Just like years ago, if you had to try to explain this stuff to me, man, I would have laughed at you. 10 years ago, you had to told me that I was going to be a vegetarian and I wouldn't eat meat, I would have laughed at you, man. But look at me now. The boy's charged up, feeling good, I'm feeling right, y'all. Like, real rap. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get on out. I'll be back soon. I'm going to start working on some more videos on the computer and stuff, getting some slides together. Like I told you, I'm going to bring y'all that information about getting the body back online correctly. Remember, pH balance. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, I'm going to be breaking the pH scale down. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go into the acids and we're going to go into the alkalines. You see what I'm saying? And again, your body's a battery. What's inside of batteries? Acids and alkalines. You see what I'm saying? Like, yo, you got to be balancing these out or your battery's going to be shorting all out. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's like I always raise my hand to absorb the sunlight. You see what I'm saying? Like, understand that the reason that your hand is different than the rest of your body and your feet, you see what I'm saying? Because these are nodes. Just like a battery, you got the top of the battery and the bottom of the battery different than the rest. Those are the nodes. See what I'm saying? Wholeness and balance vibrations. Oh, you already know. Spirit, light, body, over and out. And so it is.